Hello from ONLYOFFICE Academy. As part of our ONLYOFFICE birthday series, we're sharing practical scenarios and productivity tips that can help you get even more value from the tools you use every day. Today, we'll look at how to create different types of signatures in ONLYOFFICE, including image signature, hand-drawn signature, and text signature. Before we look at the available sign-in options, let's briefly talk about why digital signatures have become so common. In many organizations, signing a document used to involve several steps: printing the file, signing it by hand, scanning it back to the computer, and then sending it to the recipient. While this process works, it can be time-consuming and often creates multiple versions of the same document. With fillable PDF forms, signatures can be added directly inside the document, allowing people to complete forms faster while keeping the entire workflow digital. Whether you're signing an internal approval form, a registration document, a customer questionnaire, or a business agreement, the process becomes much simpler and more efficient. Signing a document digitally usually splits people into two types. Some still go through the whole routine: print, sign, and scan. Others just drop an image of a signature and call it a day. But there is a third option that sits in between, and it's the one that actually feels like signing by hand, not simply attaching a file. Inside ONLYOFFICE PDF forms, all these approaches are possible. Let's go straight to how it works in practice. Imagine that a PDF form with a signature field has already been created and shared with a fill-in access. What the recipient is going to see. Clicking on signature field opens the available sign-in options. By default, the upload window opens. This option is useful if you already have a picture of your signature stored on your computer. The signature field supports common formats such as PNG or JPEG with a maximum size of 25 megabytes. The upload option is often preferred by users who already have a scanned version of their signatures. This is particularly convenient for people who regularly sign contracts, invoices, approval forms, or HR documents. Signing multiple documents often means uploading the same signature image repeatedly. Since the last update, the signature field now automatically defaults to the last selected image when you fill it out. So the next time you open a signature field, your previous signature is available right away as a suggestion. You don't redraw it from scratch every time. The type option is especially useful when you don't have access to the stylus or an image of your signature. Simply type the caption text in the field on the lower left corner, then select the font size that best suits your needs. Now let's look at the option that feels closer to the signing on paper. The Draw option allows you to add a handwritten signature directly on the screen using mouse, touchpad, or touchscreen device. Select the line, width, and color and draw the signature, and then click OK. If you would like to explore more features and useful scenarios in detail, feel free to contact ONLYOFFICE Academy at training@onlyoffice.com, and we'll help to find the course tailored to your needs. Unlike ordinary form fields that can be still modified after submission, a completed signature confirms the user's actions and finalizes the document. This helps ensure that the information contained in the form remains consistent after signing. The document is then sent to the recipient, for example, the form creator, and becomes logged for editing. You will see the notification: the document has been signed and cannot be edited. As a result, recipients can be confident that the submitted version reflects exactly what was approved by the signer. Once the signature is added, save the file to finalize the process. And that's how you can sign a document using image signatures, typed signatures, or handwritten signatures in ONLYOFFICE PDF forms without printing, scanning, or external tools. With multiple sign-in methods available, every user can choose the approach that best matches their device, workflow, and personal preference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and follow our blog so you don't miss new features and updates. To find out more details and interesting scenarios, contact our Academy team by training@onlyoffice.com. onlyoffice.com.